Okay, this video is for an eBay item I bought. I want to make sure that it is actually as described. That is the postal sticker. The box is unopened. Now I know this was sold as is, but according to his ad, it said that the warranty seal had never been removed and the box has never been opened. So that is what I want to confirm is the case. Warranty seal looks like it may have actually been tampered with. Let me get a close-up shot of that. Yeah. See right there where they poked something under it? Bought this for a possible repair strictly because it said the warranty seal had not been removed. It does in fact look like it's been removed. You can see where the sticker on the underside actually has scrapes and the tamper proof has been removed. Look at the sticker here. Let me get something pointy to point at it. You got seal damage here and obvious seal damage here and here. So yeah, I'm going to be sending this back because the system has in fact been opened, unlike he claimed it was. He told me the seal looked intact. He didn't look close enough. I don't buy systems that were repair attempted on YouTube just because they say they don't think it was. The ad said it was not opened and the seal was intact. Thank you, bye.